Hey, Alapreneurs, I am going to show you around your back office. And the way you get to your back office is you go to your alapreneur.com/your username. When you log in here, you're going to go to login. This is also the site you're going to send to your potential Alapreneurs, people that are looking to do the business portion of Elevosity. So this is where you log into the BMS. Click login. And this is going to be your start screen. So this is your business management system. And they have, anything important, announcements and what have you will be right here. So we have, of course, coming up the Happiness Convention. Here is a promotion, the Keto Cray, and any kind of announcements and things you'd want to look here on your site, on your back office. So what I wanted to show you here, okay, this is of course the home. To check your commissions, you would click the commission button. To check your wallet, you would want to click your wallet button. If you want to email customer support, this is where you go in to the message center. Click add a ticket. Commission, ordering, shipping, website, shopping cart, BMS, membership, other. You choose your category, your type. Is it a request or a problem or a question? The title, fill in the details here and save ticket. And your tickets will always be here in your message center, okay? So I'm going to go back to home. Now, when you click on Team Line, this is going to pull up all of your personally sponsored people, okay? If you click on one of the people, I'm just going to click on one here, it'll pull up their information. It'll pull up, when they signed up, their last order date, their next map date, their last period volume, current volume, team volume, and their personal information there. When you click on Unilevel, okay, see these little people right here? This is how you expand it out, okay? You can click on any of these little people and expand out to look at that person. And to look at that person, you would just simply click their name, okay? So if I'm going to do that, I'll just click that right there. Trying not to show you my stuff. So let's go back to the home. Of course, shopping. If you want to place an order, click on place an order. You can add things to your cart here. You'll view your cart where it says view cart. If you want to go to your map manager, you can go in here. If you go into, let's see, products. Now this is where you can, if you want to take off the Xanthomax or take off the sticks or take off the Elevate tub for next month, you can do that here and then click update. However, if you want to change your date, you need to contact support. And of course you would do that through the message center, okay? And here under shopping, you're also going to have your order history. Now, let me explain something. This is my map right here, okay? See, it says posted. As of today, which is February 15th, it's 10 to 14 days out from the date that it posts before it ships, okay? So once it ships, your status here will change to shipped. And you'll have the date shipped and you'll have your tracking information here. And right here under invoice is where you can pull up your invoice information on your order, okay? And if you ever want to go back, you just click the back button and it'll go back to your home screen or the previous screen you were on. If you are, let's say you're in the $49 plan and you are ready to do your upgrade, you're ready to get a pack. I have read and I agreed to the Elapreneur terms. Click continue. Then it's going to take you to your screen here where you can choose your pack and continue on and go through the checkout process. Let's see, we have a resources tab here. This is where they add company resources. You have some training information, sample objectives, Facebook, Elevosity, social party if you choose to do that. A memory jogger and scripts. This is pretty cool if you're new to network marketing. First, you need to definitely talk to your upline about the different groups that we have available for you for free. It's amazing. But here's just, a 21-page PDF of information that they have here. And let's see here, the coffee brochure, and then you're going to have, of course, if there's audios, and then you have a video training here, video training. And I know when corporate does any kind of webinars, or any of the leaders do webinars, they will post them here in your back office under the training videos, okay? So all those training videos are here. Let's go back to the home screen. Events. Whenever there's events, this is where they'll be posted, under the events tab. And you can go into your settings to enter, change your information. Anything that's grayed out, you cannot change. You need to contact support, call the corporate office to change this information. Your shipping information, your billing information, and Elopreneur settings. If you want to change your website URL, which is your username, you would do so here. This is where you choose your privacy setting to receive email blasts from the company, SMS notifications. Of course, you'd put your phone number, and if you need to change your password, you would do so here. And I believe that wraps it up for the back office, your business management system. If you have any questions about the system itself, you will need to contact support. Or ask your upline, of course. And this is why we do these videos and these trainings and these tutorials, so you'll have them handy for you. That ends this tutorial on your business management system. Thanks.